Yes, yes, yes! Woohoo! Birdie, birdie, birdie! What the f- Oh! Hey! Ah! Oh! Don't do it, Mike! Let's get this party started! Don't do it, my canary! I'm getting grumpy! I want my mommy! Huh? Does it again. Yeah. You lose!
Starr Park Security, what's your emergency?
A man just stole my gems. Then he got this crazy look in his eye and smacked me in the head with a hammer.
Okay, can you describe this gentleman?
Late 60s, gray beard, ruggedly handsome, passionate about dynamite, and award-winning toothless smile.
I'm sorry, the perp was ruggedly handsome?
The perp! I'm sorry, I thought you asked me to describe myself.
No. What did the person who attacked you look like?
Way less attractive than me.
Okay, sir, this number is for emergency calls only.
Understood. Let me try that again. I'd like to report an ugly man in Starr Park that hit a very attractive-looking older gentleman.
Okay, goodbye, sir.
He also has a great singing voice.
Starr Park Security, what's your emergency?
I'd like to make a report. I just shot a person with a rocket inside Starr Park.
Did you say you shot someone with a rocket launcher, sir? Are they dead?
No, that's the problem. I shot this little cactus man right in the head with a rocket, and the weirdest thing happened. He got right back up. Watch, I'll prove it. I shot him again. Nothing.
Sir, please stop shooting him with rockets.
You're right. I'ma chill. But I'ma try to stick a dynamite first. Come on. Darn it! Now he's back up again. I'ma try hitting him with another rocket. Forget I called.
Starr Park security, what's the emergency?
Yeah, one of the gumball machines, he came alive.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody put a gem in the gumball machine and it came alive and sort of flew into a rage and roundhouse kicked the guy right at his chest. Then the gumball machine kissed the vending machine and kind of carried it off into the sunset like it was his girlfriend.
I'm sorry, are you reporting a stolen vending machine, or...
No, I think the vending machine was okay with it. I just felt like I needed to talk through this with someone.
See you on the other side? No! No, you can't do it! Okay,